Hey guys, so we are showing a small tutorial on the context and the collision objects that are associated with the specific contact. So for this assignment, I have created two classes. One is collision object, which is kind of packaging our game object inside it. So this is our game object, which is being packaged, and it is used as a specific node for our simple separate linked list for the collision list. So this is the manager for that collision object. Uh, in this, it's kind of a static class where, or I can say singleton, where we are uh, creating it, and we'll have a last pointer and the head pointer for the uh, list itself. So every time the contact happen, we update our last pointer itself, um, and then we are simply inserting it into the list. So the first thing that we're doing is a level. Uh, so first of all, yeah, we have done some upgrades on our project itself. We have created a level manager, which is setting up everything, and we have moved all of our basic code from game.cpp to this level manager, which is having all the setups, initialization setups and updates for the physics in there. And I have also created a small function to clear the level. In this, we are just gonna create, we're just gonna remove or just delete the whole world, and then we can reset the whole world, and depending how we want to work with, but we'll see that in the future. uh, and we have updated the bird class as well. So let's start. Where am I exactly setting up the first object in collision list? So player object, that is our bird object, will be our first head where we are setting it up. It will create a collision list and then we are setting it up as a head, and every time the contact happens, we are calling it in the begin contact. So we can just call that single class over there and get the head, and then the next node of that, because we already know that head will be the bird object. And then we are just searching. If it's found, we just break the loop and just move forward and don't do anything. If it's not found, then we insert it into the list, and once we insert it into the list, we're just printing it out, like more like tracing it out and printing it out in the output window over there. So let's just run this code real quick. So this is just a normal case where they're touching both the woods, so we can see the uh, output. It collided with block 1 and block 2. um, let's just change the settings a bit. And just build it. And this is a case where it's just hitting just one block and it's not getting overlapped actually, because this block just ends around here. And then for the last setting, all we are doing is moving that last block closer, and it is showing all the collisions together. So it will tell us that both blocks are being collided right now, so we can see all the bang images as well, and we can trace that out from the debug windows as well. So that's for our assignment. Thank you. We'll see you the next next week.